Hey, hello. Good day again. So we're here to simplify statistics using Excel again. Okay. So our topic for today will be more on hypothesis testing again, but more on proportion. Okay. And we have a sample from the book. Okay. And need to delete this one to explain later. It is better that I type all of those. How to compute for the z-value rather than just putting the answers there. Okay. All right. Okay, so we'll go straight ahead of computing the z-value for the proportions, but as for the problem here, you may opt to pause the video and then read the problem. Okay. The the null hypothesis here. Sorry, I forgot to put that null hypothesis. uh, P is equals to equals to 0.05, and the HO, the null hypothesis, the alternative hypothesis is P is um, lesser than P is lesser than, oh no, 0.75. So that's the null hypothesis. Okay, so it goes straight in computing. So how did I get the 0.05? It is here. Okay, again, you may pause the video and read the problem here. Okay, and the sample mean is zero point zero 0.03. How did I get the 0.03? Okay, so we have here 300 samples, right? We have here this one. Suppose 300 batteries are randomly selected. Okay, so 300, that's the sample mean. Okay, and sample, the total sample population. Okay, so and it says there that the total of it is not included in here. Okay, we'll check that. Okay, uh-huh, it's not written here in the problem. All right, see, tested in here is 0.10. Okay, so it is written in here. Okay, so H is tested and then defective batteries are found. Okay, so 10. Okay, so we'll compute for this one, 10 over 300. Okay, so it's 3% defective. Oh, we wanted to see here that the population mean, the defective. Okay, it says that the problems, the reputations of many of these countries are severely damaged by shipments of manufactured items that contain large percentage of defectives. Okay, okay. For example, manufacturer alkaline batteries may want to be reasonably certain that fewer than 5% of these batteries are defective. Okay, fewer than 5%. That's their claim. Okay, so in here, we have here the P is equals to 0.005. Okay, and the null hypothesis is point uh, point 0.5, 0.05. Okay, it's lesser than 0.05. Okay, so we know sample standard deviation is not needed here. Okay, so we just need the population mean. They claim 5%. The sample mean 300. Okay, so I'm finding the z value for the sample proportion. Just need to um, zero point 0.3 minus zero point 0.5, okay, over Square root of um what's the square root? Square root of zero point 0.5 again multiplied by, remember this one, we tackled this one on how to compute for the z value. Okay, so in our past activity it has 1 minus p. Okay, this one. Okay, over the square root over the sample population. Okay, so that's how to compute that. So we got 1.32. Okay, so now that we have 1.32, we now check 1.32 and the z value, and I have the z table here. Since it's 1.32, we'll look for 2 here. Okay, so the second decimal value, and we'll look for 1.3. Okay, so 1.3 is 0.4066. Okay, you just have to put that in here. Okay, 0.4066. Okay, so how to get the p-value? You just have to less that by zero point 0.5. Okay, so the p-value is 0.09. Okay, okay, so the decision, if you'll just try to look at the z value 1.32, okay, remember our confidence level. Okay, so we will use, the book says use alpha of 0.01. Okay, 0.01. So 0.01 is equals to 2.5. Okay, since this is within the value of 0.05. Okay, we will um, we will accept the null hypothesis, this one. Now that we computed the p-value, okay, we found out that the p-value is 0.09. Okay, on the initial decision there here for the z value, accept null hypothesis. However, okay, however, in p-value, the decision at 99% confidence level, um, we will reject the null hypothesis. Okay, so that's it. That's how to do that. Okay, null hypothesis, because this is more than 1%. Okay, so our target is 0.01. Okay, that's our alpha for 99%. 0.01. So this is more than our alpha, then we will reject. Okay, and in here, on just looking at the C, we accepted the null hypothesis because it's within within the range of the value we get here. Okay, so example here, this is just an example. 1.32 is here. Okay, and it's not on the rejecting value. It's not more than 2.5, right? So we will accept the null hypothesis just using the z. However, using the alpha, using the p-value, compute for p-value, we found out that its p-value is 0.09 and it's more than 0.01. So we will reject the null hypothesis and conclude that uh, p p but this is wrong. Proportion is lesser than 0.05. Okay, I guess I already have discussed all of this, all of the needed explanation. And if you have questions, just comment on my video. Okay, and I'll see you on my next videos, guys. Okay, thank you.